Hello, welcome to this video, and we will try to transfer file over Wi-Fi or WLAN. First, we need to go to Google Play Store, click Play Store, and then search for Wi-Fi file transfer. Like this, Wi-Fi file transfer. Click Wi-Fi file transfer, and then click install. Click accept, and then wait for couple seconds. I will pause the video. Now it's already finished. You can click open. Choose what to allow Wi-Fi file transfer to access. Click storage. Click continue. Click OK. Then click start. You can now access the files on your Android device by typing the following address into your computer's browser: 192.168.43.72.1234. First, you need to connect your computer to the same Wi-Fi that your Samsung connect. You can use hotspot. I will show you that. I'll connect to FIFO 8182.202 SSID. I will go to laptop and connect to the same Wi-Fi. Then click connect. Wait for a minute, then connect it, and then I will open my browser. And then type the address that the Wi-Fi file transfer software mentions. So 192.168.43.72:1234. You can type that in your browser: 192.168.42.72:1234, and then enter. See, you can now arrive at the browser, at the HTML page on your Android phone. You can go to this CIM, and then you can copy your camera file or movie is on the bottom, and then the pictures in the upper place. So you can, for instance, like this, you can copy this, you can download, you can click download to download the pictures, or you can upload files to your phone. Click file, and then click choose file, and then click any file that you want to upload to your phone. Click, and then click start upload, and wait for a minute. And now you can see that this is the file that you are uploaded to your phone, is contained in the directory that you are last browsed, you last opened. Now that's okay. That's all I want to show you how to Wi-Fi file transfer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. Thank you.